Hello parents, greetings of the day, namaste. Today the video is gonna be very important. Now what happens most of the times as a parent, we always think for the betterment of our child. We always think that our child should definitely get the best platform to showcase their talent. We definitely think that yes, as a parent, our child should get the proper guidance. But the question comes in our mind where, how, which competition, what other exams should I encourage my child to give? So, today, for that solution, I'm here today to help you to get rid of all your doubts, all your thoughts in your mind. Yes, I'm here to help you regarding the best competitive exams, the very famous competitive exams which your child should definitely give. And it's not about only winning or losing. I am helping them, or I am here to tell you that your child should at least participate. The kind of questions these competitions are asking, or the kind of practice your child will be doing for the preparation of such competition, their brain will be developed more immensely. More the effort they will be doing, definitely the brain development would be faster, as well as the way of thinking about a problem that would be different. So they will be developing in different respects. So today I'm going to give you one competition, one name of the competition that is going to be a very helpful for your child. That is Math Kangaroo. This is an international renowned competition for the subject of mathematics. And you can see it's being conducted by around 92 countries, even more than 92 countries, I would say, around the world. Even it started very early time, but in India it came a little late. So you can see some of the logos of different countries where it has been conducted every year. And this is one of the renowned competitive exam regarding our mathematics. So here you will be getting the solution for your children. So don't fear. Yes, this is a very good exam that your child must give it. So let's talk about this competition. Let's talk about this kind of maths exam. So here basically there are 12 levels of participation that is ranging from grade 1 to grade 12. Now the key competition or the key competence test. Okay, the main focus, the main motto of this exam is not just pure knowledge of formula, just putting the value in the formulas and getting the result. That is not the main motto here. That is not at all the motto of the people who are organizing this. The main motto they have, they want the children to think, to develop the critical thinking, to develop the logical reasoning among themselves. We want we want the children to give the thought provoking problems so that their thinking capability, thinking skills develops. And this competition, India participated in the year 2017 under the banner of International Olympiad Academy. So let us talk about more about this exam. So in India, Math Kangaroo is being conducted from 2017 onwards every year. And it is also conducted in the 12 categories basically, where it starts from grade 1 to grade 12. Now, it has been categorized in some groups like grade 1 and grade 2 are being called as pre-ecoliers. Then grade 3 and 4 would be considered to be as ecolier. Then 5, 6 grade is considered to be as a Benjamin. 7, 8 considered to be as cadet. 9, 10 as a junior 1 and 2. And then 11, 12 is considered as student 1 and 2. So this is how your 12 categories goes for such exam. Now talking about the pattern, what kind of questions, every detail I will be sharing here, parents. So this is basically a 90-minute exam and each question contains 5 MCQ based options. So generally we give 4 options, but they have a system of giving 5 options. Now out of that 5 option, one would be the correct answer. Now for the grade 1 to 4, there are 24 questions in the question paper, and they would give 96 points. Now this 96 points, I would be talking further how it has been divided. Then comes grade 5 to 12. Again, they will be having a pattern of 30 questions. Okay, their question paper would be comprising of 30 questions worth 120 points. And very important to note here that the child should not make much mistake, because there is a deduction of 1 point for every incorrect answer. If the child doesn't attempt any question, okay, either he skips the question, there will be no deduction. But if he or she attempts the question and if it is found incorrect, their 1 point would be deducted. Now talking about the marks divisions and all. So for the test of pre-Ecolier and Ecolier, okay, they have 24 questions. Now this 24 questions are being divided as 8 questions per section. So they have basically 3 sections in it. Basically, one is of easy, one is of medium, and another one is hard. Now, easy will be carrying 3 points, medium would be carrying 4 points, and a hard would be carrying 5 points. Altogether, they will be make up 96 points. So 8 questions in each section, and they will make up 96 points. Moving further, for the Benjamin 1 and 2, that is for grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, they will be comprising of 90-minute duration question paper, and in which they will be having 30 questions with 10 questions per section. So in the first section, they will be having 3 points as an easy category, 10 into 3, 30. Then they will be having another medium category with 4 points. So 4 into again 8, 10, that gives 40. And then 5 points for each correct answer. For the hard questions, there are again 10 questions. So 10 into 50, 50 plus 40, 90 plus 30, that gives 120. So this is how the pattern goes for the exam. Now talking about the syllabus. So here will be focusing more on Ecolier 1 and 2, that is for grade 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So Ecolier 1 and 2. So here we have the kind of syllabus which is being familiar to the students most of the time, but the level of question, the way of questioning, that is being very different. So it's comprises of your simple arithmetic operations with 1, 2, 3, and 4-digit numbers, then recognizing geometrical figures, a magic square with a sum of 15, time clock problems, number of days in a week, number of months in a year, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, intersection of sets. So sets is being introduced in this grade for their level. Then perimeter and area of a square and a rectangle. So this is the syllabus from which the questions are being asked for the grade 3 and 4. And moving on for the grade 5 and 6, they have addition, subtraction, multiplication, division as a fundamental operations. Then they have magic squares, fractions and decimals, clock, calendar problems, perimeter of a polygon, rectangle, triangle. Then mathematical logic they have, lines and rays on a surface, a cube, a rectangular solid, acute, right, and obtuse angles. So this is the syllabus for your grade 5 and 6. So it seems to be easy, but the level, the kind of a question they are asking, I'm repeatedly saying that is the, that makes this competition actually unique. So let's see some of the questions. I have just taken one screenshot of the question paper which was being asked in 2011. Now these were the questions being asked. Few of the questions I have shown here for the grade 3 and 4, and more question paper you can simply download from the internet. Okay, it's being easily available. You can download it for all your grades. So it has a 3-point question, 4-point, 5-point as we discussed. But again, the questions are good ones. The child has to think to answer them, and that would be definitely be a exercising of their brain. Moving on, so the very interesting part which always students think that what if we won it, so yes, of course they will not leave you empty hand. They will definitely provide you medals, certificates if you get a good score on it. So even they will also provide you e-certificate which is for your participation, and if you win it, you will definitely felicitate it with your gold medal, silver medal, bronze medals. Okay, and of course once you qualify in the first round, then only you will be getting and going for the second round, that would be the final round, and in that even there is a cash prize also along with your medals and certificates. So Parents and students, I hope you are being updated with this fantastic competition, a very renowned competition. I would urge everyone, all the parents, to at least prepare the child for and make them sit for such competitive exam. And definitely we are also making the child prepare here. So the details are as follows.